Okay, we've got our veggie stock going, so we're going to start making the salsa. We're going to need an onion and a papaya. We're going to go with both of these for a half a cup each. And so we're going to rough chop this to make it nice and chunky. So we're going to add this to our bowl. And then again, we're going to take the papaya. And some people will like to use a peeler to go down. I prefer